Welcome back to TakeApart. In today's video, I'll unbox this Idoing head unit with Android 12 and 9-inch screen. This is version with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. I got reversing camera as well. Here we have some cables, adapters and more cables. Whoa, that's a lot of spaghetti. Yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you how to connect it all together. Here is radio frame with the head unit. It looks like it's already assembled. I have to say that packaging is very good. Oh yeah, this will be gangster. Look at that screen. Frame is plastic and here goes vents and some buttons. Idoing website is linked in description below. Make sure to use coupon code TakeApart to get discount. On the bottom is sticker with pinout of connectors. It should be easy enough. I ordered unit for my car and they sent all needed cables, adapters, even CanBus. So yeah, let's unpack spaghetti. Here we have main power / speakers loom. This goes to new radio. And these three are connectors that will be plugged into the car. Also this one is for CanBus. So radio and car. Easy. Next is old school USB adapter. I don't need that. But this is important. FM AM antenna adapter. In the second bag we have a plastic pry bars. Nice touch there, as you don't want to scratch anything. Next, USB inputs total of 3. This is SIM card adapter. Yes, this unit has 4G internet. This is external microphone in case you don't have one built in. Next is GPS antenna with SMA connector. And here 4G antennas again with SMA connectors. Weird looking thing, but this is mic input with Wi-Fi antenna. This wire is like antenna for Wi-Fi. And here AV connectors for like amplifiers and whatever else you need them. And lastly we have this loom with camera and connector. All this looks messy and confusing, but I won't need it all, as I won't use 4G, because mobile internet is expensive. So 4G antenna won't be plugged in. Also, SIM card adapter is not needed, as it goes hand in hand with 4G antenna. My car has built-in microphone, so this one won't be needed. Also, I don't have any amplifiers, all this can go. Plus, this old school USB loom. Alright, let's connect what I gonna need. Antenna adapter goes here. GPS antenna goes to GPS SMA connector, like so. Main loom is going to be plugged here. All connectors are different, so just plug and play. Single USB cable goes here. And double USB cable here. Now is perfect time to subscribe. Just like so. This loom has little manual attached to it, so it is easy to connect. Lastly, Wi-Fi antenna loom goes here. It wasn't too bad. In next video I'll be installing in my car. Once again should be plug and play. Screen has screen protector installed from factory. Here is mic hole, reset hole and 5 touch buttons that are self-explaining. I can't wait to install it into my car. Thanks for watching and see you next time.